Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing good, and this is gonna be a jewelry haul from Amazon, and I have gotten such a beautiful sterling silver jewelry from Giva. I wanted to show you guys all the pieces I got. This is gonna be a very mini haul. So without further ado, we are quickly gonna be diving in the video, guys. Thing first, I got this sterling silver ring and it was very beautiful, and the best part is it is adjustable ring, so it doesn't matter what size you are in, you can just adjust it to your size. It looks like a beautiful platinum diamond ring. I saw a similar piece at Tanishq and I felt in love with this, so I got it at a very affordable price. I got this ring for 2000 rupees. The best part about Jiva's jewelry is you also get a certificate of authentication, and I believe for the cocktail parties or even when you are going out casually, this is gonna look beautiful, and you can adjust in whichever finger you feel like. So when I saw it, I felt in love with this. Also, Giva has a wide variety of these and very affordable prices, so you guys can go and check it out on Amazon right now. And I am gonna show you the next thing which I got. Next up, guys, I got this very beautiful pendant. It comes up with this chain, and it has a crystal in the middle. Again, this is sterling silver, comes with a certification, and it is even written, "Hey sunshine, let's slay together." And you can just wear it when you're wearing something broader, and you're gonna be good to go. Even when there are times when I'm wearing sweater, I just wear it over it and it looks beautiful. Also, these pieces have certain shine which makes them look very classy and timeless. Also, this is something which is very simple, but it is certainly better than a bare neck, so you guys can just go wear it and it is gonna suit everything. Even when you are wearing something traditional, it is gonna look equally well, and with your westerns also it is gonna suit so much. Earrings which are in the similar fashion, so that when I wear this I can pair it up with that. Also, the cost of this one was around 1400 rupees. This is pure silver, so yes, it is such a nice investment to make. Guys, I have already told you that I got earrings, and this is very beautiful. The crystals are so intricate, they look so well put together. Again, sterling silver, and it is for 1400 or 1500 rupees, but with the necklace it is gonna look amazing. And even if you do not want to wear any necklace, you can just wear these ones, and these are such an eye catcher when you wear them, and looks very beautiful. So when I saw them, I was like, this is the piece I need right now. I love them. They comes up with this box. There is gonna be a certification, again I told you guys. Also, they look very sturdy. I expected them to be little bigger than they are right now, but they are beautiful. Next up, guys, I got this very big box of jewelry, and the best part is I was searching for this jewelry box since a very long time. I wanted a jewelry box which is affordable and which can fit all of the jewelry I had. So I got my hands on this, and it is very affordable. For very affordable, I mean to tell you that this is for 1000 rupees. It is big enough, it has spaces to put all your jewelry in, and it has a very velvety touch to it, so I believe that it is not gonna ruin my golden jewelry. And also, this is a very huge box, so all of your jewelry is gonna fit into. And if you are putting something expensive of gold, diamond or silver into this, then you can even put a lock here. So when I saw it, it was big enough for such an affordable price. I got my hands on this right away, so I'm very happy with all the purchases I made. I will make sure that I give all of these links in the description box below. So these were all the products I wanted to show you guys. It was kind of a mini haul. I hope you like this, and I will see you guys with another video super soon. And all the products links are going to be in the description box below, so you guys can go and check that out for yourself. And I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.